15, man.
Thank you, babe. Now I'm just hoping that it don't be no leak, no slow leak or nothing in my tire, because I didn't buy the tire that they want to give me. I told them to put my tire back on my car. It was no slow leak, no nothing. I was just only trying to get a better tire than what I got because of the thread on it. So what I'm gonna do now is try to find another tire. But I'm taking this video, but just in case I have a slow leak or whatever, I'm bringing it back because I had no problems with the tire beforehand.